Hi everybody, Midnight Sky Wolf here, and me and my dogs are at I think it's Wells Dog Park. We're supposed to have a Husky meetup, but it's not going as well. The people who are supposed to come are not coming, so it's fine. So I just, videotape my dogs at the park. I hope you guys enjoyed the video at Wolf Mountain. If you want to go, it's located in the Lucerne Valley. Just Google it, and the tour is $25. That's your donation money that goes towards the wolves. Hopefully I'm gonna get up an Okami Let's Play today as well. So just to let you guys know that, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, please rate, please subscribe, and as always, may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Okay everyone, bye.